How to make hard reset, factory reset Samsung Galaxy A35. So first of all, you need to turn off your mobile phone. If you can't turn off, simply put any USB cable, must be with the charger or computer or laptop, no problem. After that, you need to press volume down and power button together until you see black screen totally. When you see black screen, just press power button and volume up button together, and you will see we are in recovery mode. Now here what you need to do, don't make factory reset directly. First of all, you need to come here this option you will see wipe cache partition. Click on that, click yes. You need to do it twice. Come here on the cache partition, click OK, yes, and then you need to come here and click on wipe factory reset, wipe data factory reset. Click on that, click yes, and after that just simply reboot system now. So like this you will able to remove your lock screen if you forget the password and if you forget the email also. So very simple to do it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.